Hi guys, welcome to Big Creations. Today I am going to unboxing the BOYA mic, lavalier mic. It's a clip-on mic for smartphones. And let's start the unboxing. And I am purchased from a Flipkart, and it's a clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camera recorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. Now I am recording with the mic of my phone, and you can see the difference between the two mics. Now I connected the BOYA By-m1 mic, and you can see the difference. The audio quality is little louder, and it is very useful for YouTubers of beginners. And I used this 3 days. Nothing more different compared to phone's mic, but good mic when compared to low budget mics. And we should use app for noise cancellation after recording. But background other noises like TV and other noises are low and easily cut in app. With no doubts, we can clearly say that it's a great product. And maybe your smartphone camera apps don't support it, and you can download the open camera app from the app store and change it to external microphone. This third party application will work perfectly on your mobile. Otherwise, sound quality is so good with 20 feet long cable, and it's a value for money. Basically, this mic will boost the voice clarity, but noise cancellation isn't much effective or impressive. Output is good, but noise cancellation is average. Even some phones have better noise cancellation than this product. According to my opinion, only cons of this product is its noise cancellation or noise reduction power. It is very average, and it only useful when we in a quiet place or when we in a room. The fan sound will be noise reduced, but in a noisy area it will be the problem of this mic. I liked the pouch of this mic and very lengthy cable, and YouTubers surely love this product and don't miss it too. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.